guys aren't doing video, hell, you need to get into video. At a cost per view of anywhere between 3 to 5 cents, it's stupid not to be in video. Hey guys, Jason Harris here with Digital Dealership Solutions. Hey, thanks for joining me on another episode of The Drive. Today, guys, I want to talk about content. One of your goals and objectives should be to suffocate the consumer with content. We have to talk about if someone is in market for, let's say, a Hyundai Elantra, then we need to suffocate them with content. And this just doesn't mean just display ads and text ads. You know, a huge part of it has to do with video. And there has to be a very specific remarketing strategy in line so that the stories always kind of continue to progress. And right now, our average campaigns usually consist of about 9 different pieces of content on a per campaign basis. Now, I'm literally going back to the team and say, look guys, 9 is not enough. We need to go to 22. You need to suffocate the consumer with content, but good content, not just 0% financing and low lease rates. Like, that's not good content, all right? This consumer wants to hear your voice, your thoughts, your opinions on what makes this vehicle or this service amazing. And the cool thing is you can scale video, you can develop video and video content on a daily basis. Hey, I'd love to hear what your guys' thoughts and opinions are on this. Drop me a message down below. You know I thoroughly enjoy reading those. Thank you so much for your time. You guys have a wonderful day.